from Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the month. No, not that time, but this time. Boxycharm time. Woo! You guys, I have been loving Boxycharm. Yes, I had that one little bitty experience where it wasn't like up to par 100% because it's, well, check my other videos and you can see what happened in my February box unboxing. Do that, but overall my experience with Boxycharm has been very fun. It's $25 a month. I get the basic box. I have not upgraded to the premium box yet. For now, I'm sticking with the basic $25 a month Boxycharm. This is the April box, and I am very thrilled to see what is inside this month's box. Are you guys ready to do the big unveil of Boxycharm April 2020? I am, so let's go ahead and start. All right, let us see what is inside this month's box. Oh, adorable. I just love opening it up to see the presentation of their box. It's always so much fun, most of the time. So this box has a theme, festival vibes. Hey, I feel like I'm festival already. Look at this. I've got my leopard print ensemble, my wild hair, my choker. I'm feeling festival ready. So for this particular theme, I think I fit right in for it. All right, so let us see. Festival ready. You guys, I got some awesomeness. First off, I got a beauty sponge. So pretty. It's bright yellow. It's like a yellowish green beauty sponge. Hank and Henry, it is called. Hank and Henry. This Hank and Henry beauty sponge is $20 retail. And you can use these for applying and blending in your foundation, your concealer, any little thing that you want to do that you have liquid and cream you want to blend. These sponges are life-changing, like seriously. I used a sponge to apply my foundation and concealer today, and I just love the way that it makes my skin look. It just makes it feel smooth, and it blends in so nicely for a flawless look. So sponges, yes. $20 retail. Yes, they do charge $20 for these sponges. So almost already at my $25 a month charge. You can never have enough of these. I will say that. So boom, perfect. Porefessional Smoothing Face Primer. This is one of the primers that I love and I use actually. The Porefessional. This is awesome. This is the full size and I only usually have the mini size, so this is gonna last me a long time. This is the Benefit Porefessional. The retail on that is $32. $32. That's probably why I only have the small one, because I'm not willing to dish out the $32 for primer. So that explains that. But now I have this. So excited. All right, let's see what else. So far, this is awesome. Let's see what else I got. Elemis or Elemis. This is the one I have a hard time pronouncing. Sueprfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. Another cleanser. Awesome. This actually is supposed to help and hydrate skin. This retails for $32 as well. $32. Helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leaves skin with a fresh looking complexion. This I'm excited to try out. My skin, I have combination skin, so I do have like the oily, some areas like in my T-zone gets oily, but a lot of my other areas like my cheeks and my chin and down below get very dry. So I do have to use an extra moisturizer for my skin. So this might be something that I would not have purchased, $32. But I'm definitely interested in trying it out. So I will try this out and let you guys know what I think. Very fun. Next up, you guys, I think, what is this? Illuminati gel paint duo. Oh, electric pink and blue. Okay, this is gel paint. I do not know what it's for. It says electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. $42 for this. $42. Whoa. Okay. Let's just say this mama ain't about to dish out $42 unless this is amazing. And I can't open it, so I can't. Where are my muscles when I need them? It's supposed to be. You guys, I can't get it. Okay, so I might have to try this later. This gel paint. Electric pink. Electric blue. It looks like they're pencils, so I'm guessing that they are like an eyeliner type deal, but you guys, that is gonna be so fun to try. Like perfect for the festivals and different concerts and fun things like that, or for a night out. Very cool. Next up, I will open those later. We have a brush collection, Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. Those are fun spring colors. And yes, they do fit the festival theme with the bright, fun colors. These are $29.99 eye brushes. So they have a different, oh cool. This is a complete eye brush set. So this has, let me open it up here for you guys so you can see. Look at these brushes. Different sizes, different, this one has that on there, very thin one. So very cool. I only have like one eye makeup blending brush, so this is gonna be fun to play with for sure. Lavish, $29.99. You guys, I cannot do the math in my head right now, but we're just looking at the retail price on these. 32, 32, 64. 64 plus 20 is 84. 84, so just say 85. Oh my gosh, we're looking at well over $150 retail for all of these items. Okay, that is worth it. And like I said, I pay $25 a month for this Boxycharm subscription box. All my items, this, and this, all for $25. Worth it? Yes! You guys, I will post all the items that I received in my description area, and you can take a look for yourself at these products and the prices, and check out the link. If you're interested in trying out Boxycharm, I will also have a link for you to click on and check out Boxycharm for yourself. If you're into beauty products, if you're into getting different items monthly, unboxing, which I love to do, as you all know. You can unbox too, you can have fun and get these products every month delivered to your doorstep. Was that a good pitch? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will have a new video out probably again this week, so stay tuned for that. And like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys all again soon.